A delicious Italian-inspired dinner idea, Slimming World pizza top chicken makes a great protein-rich alternative to a dense dough base. Fry half an onion, half a red pepper and some crushed garlic for a few minutes until softened. Skin 2 fresh tomatoes and add them to the pan along with a tablespoon of canned tomatoes and tomato puree. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano and simmer for 5 minutes. Cut a skinless chicken breast halfway through and fold it open to make a butterfly shape. Brown each side for a few minutes, then bake in a hot oven for around 15 minutes until almost cooked. Spread the tomato mixture on top, sprinkle over 40 grams of reduced fat cheese and top with some cherry tomatoes. Pop it back in the oven until the cheese melts. Sprinkle with the basil and serve hot with Slimming World chips and green salad.